Hey, today we are going to discuss about the SFTP algorithm negotiation failed for Windows-based SFTP server. I hope this video will help you troubleshoot the algorithm negotiation failed for a Windows-based SFTP server, which was already working and failed after some OS updates or patching. Here you can see the actual issue. Windows-based SFTP server is failing to connect, which was working fine earlier. This can happen for both SFTP legacy connector as well as SFTP v2 connector, where we use SSH 2.0, JSCH 0.1.53 and JSCH 0.1.54 respectively for the connectors. Here you can see the actual error, how it looks like. Failed to connect to host, the SFTP server IP address along with the on port 22, which is the default one, and the exception message we see is algorithm negotiation fail caused by algorithm negotiation fail. And the cause of this issue is the SFTP server, which is hosted on the Windows based server, where when there is a OS patch or update specifically happening, at sometimes there is an issue that the SFTP configuration is defaulting to the basic, where it is not allowing the expected algorithms or key ciphers to support, which is why the SFTP and SFTP v2 might possibly fail with the errors which we see. Here is a scenario which you can see there are listed out with KEX algorithms, host keys, ciphers, and respective MACs that are being used. Here is a Windows SFTP server which is basically using SSH 2.0 OpenSSH for Windows 9.5. That's the version it is using, the JSH version, and the local version string, which is our connector. Here we have taken one reference, which is 0.1.53, which it is using. Here you can see it is ideally supporting RSA SHA-512, RSA SHA-256, whereas it should ideally support all these listed ones. Because of that Windows patch in the restart, it is defaulted to RSA SHA-212 and RSA SHA-256. And you can see the same with KEX client and KEX server as well. There is mismatch in there. It's not supporting the full things when this patch is happening. So to resolve this issue, you can follow these certain steps, where initially you need to rename the SSH folder on the specific Windows based SFTP server. Now where the SFTP service is running, you can restart the SFTP service from the Windows services page. Once restarted, you will see the new SSH folder being created automatically. Before this, you can ensure that you can take a backup of that, or you can rename the folder, the existing SSHD folder with some other underscore backup or something. And once the restart of the SFTP service is done, you will see a new folder getting created, the same folder with the new configuration. Along with this, whatever we have in the past, whatever the SSHD config file should contain, this all will come back, where it supports the expected KEX algorithms and all. And while you're doing this, ensure you have the chroot directory property is set up as earlier, if there is one earlier, because when it is changed, chroot directory is the one. Whenever you log into SFTP server with certain user, it goes to that. And when in your Boomi process or in connection, if you are using some SFTP connector and you are trying to access those folders, you might use some global properties in the pre properties, where it might not route to the correct directory, and it shows like directory is not existing or something. So ensure the chroot directory property is set for the respective user, for the respective SFTP user. Thank you.